Let's draw a big round body sitting on a branch. Add 2 big round eyes and a small triangle beak. Then, draw wings on the side and little claws on the branch. Now color the owl pink or purple. The beak and claws can be orange, and the branch can be brown. Make the eyes white with black circles inside. Perfect! Our owl looks cute and wide awake, ready to watch the night sky. Great job, you made a wise little owl friend. First, draw a round head with 2 pointy ears. Add big eyes, a little nose, and a fluffy body sitting down. Don't forget the long tail with a tip at the end. Now color the fox orange. The face and tummy can be light yellow or cream, and the tail tip white. The nose is black, and the ears are orange with a bit of pink inside. Wonderful! Our fox looks clever and friendly with its big fluffy tail. Well done, you made a smart little fox friend!